Hello, I'm Mantak Chia. I'd like to show you a 3 simple exercise how to last longer when we in the bed or we make love, okay? And in the Tao practice, it's very emphasized is massage your testicle and stretch your penis, okay? And that is the major part. That's what we call, in the Tao practice, we call sharpening your weapon. Some people don't like the word sharpening your weapon, but penis is very, very important to men. So the first thing we call massage the testicle. So you at home, you take your underwear out in the bathroom, yourself by yourself. So you put your hand in one side, so you hold the testicle and massage the testicle. When you massage the testicle, so at least you do 4 times 36, okay? Sometimes you feel pain, okay? But there's a good pain, okay? So you massage it. So you hold one egg and one hand, one egg, one hand, okay? So you rub it. If you feel some pain, you get lesser, don't put too hard. And when you massage it, it's opening. Sometimes the blockages in the testicle cause a lot of problem. And a lot of people get a lot of, we call the clot. That means all the blue vein are clotting, okay? Because the circulation not move well. So when you massage the testicle, one hand, one egg, and after that, now the next one is stretching the penis. So the first exercise, you stretch from the base to the gland penis. So you stretch 1. So 9 times to the right, 9 times to the left, 9 times to the back, 9 times to the front, and 9 times to the middle. So we call 5 direction, okay? And after that, when you want to last longer, so you put some oil, and you put a little bit oil, like the pure olive oils or pure coconut oil. In here we have a lot of very good coconut oil. So you put the oil on the gland penis and you rub. You pull the penis back and you rub on the gland penis. You rub it. And this rubbing on the gland penis will make you last longer, because the gland penis is too sensitive. That means in the penis you have the cover, that you pull this cover out of the gland penis and you rub on the gland penis. You exercise and massage the gland penis. If you massage the gland penis, you will last longer in making love, okay? So, thank you.